Hey, Sun here. Today's episode is more of a productivity episode. I don't know if you're like me. I'm getting old. When I do work late at night on my computer, the brightness of the monitor kind of burns through my eyeballs. There used to be a way for Intel Macs to control the brightness of external displays using command line, and I'll hear some of you saying, "Son, you can go into the menu and change the brightness that way. Why would you want to have a command line utility for this?" What I just did took a few seconds. It interrupted my workflow, and I hate this. What if there was a command line way of doing it? And thankfully there is. So on M1 Macs or M2 or M3, soon M4, the whole essentially Apple Silicon lineup, there is this tool now called M1 DDC, developed by a reputable open source person that is also building an amazing app called Better Display. That app allows one to do all kinds of stuff to control our external monitors, but what I'm really looking for is a simple one-liner, and thankfully it exists now. So you can either install this by compiling the source code and then just putting the binary at the right place on your Mac, or for those of you who are a little less deep into the rabbit hole, you can essentially install Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager similar to apt in the context of Debian and Ubuntu. And to install it, you just copy paste this into your terminal, press enter. And once this is done, to install this amazing little command line utility, you copy this into your terminal, press enter, and voila. Then once all of this is done, it allows you to run this really cool little binary, and you can set what they call luminescence, which is essentially the brightness. So let's do it kind of like the long way, and I'll show you a little power user feature soon. If you run this here and you type, 100, bam, or if you want to type 0, bam. It's really a one-liner, but now you'll say, "Son, you have to type all those words," and you are right. There is a better way. Essentially, if you copy this little snippet into your .zshrc file, you can create a function called b, and it will set it really, really super effortlessly. So if I say B20, 20, enter, then I can say B0. This allows me to control the brightness of my screen in like a fraction of a second. And honestly, your eyeballs will thank you for this. Let me know down there in the comments if you like this type of content, more kind of practical hacks on how to improve your productivity. And to everyone who was like super welcoming in the comments of the last 2 episodes, thank you so much for that. It's way harder than one would think to press publish, even if I've published over 150 episodes by now. It's really hard, and that was super welcoming. So thank you for this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.